events planning and production management, meeting planning and logistic management, travel planning and destination management, wedding, debut and social celebration. AT3 Events, your MICE events and travel management consultant. Meeting, incentive travel, conference, exhibition, events is here to provide you with solutions for all your needs. For years, AT3 Event Planning and Concepts Incorporated has provided its clients the best service for planning, organizing, and executing events. Corporate events. From planning, coordination, organizing, executing, and facilitating, AT3 Events is set to bring your event to a higher level. Be it product launches, conference and conventions, seminars, workshops, team building, trade shows, and exhibitions. AT3 Event is ready to provide for all your needs from venue sourcing, production and creative, speaker, artist management, exhibit booth provider, sound and light system, AVP production, LCD projector, and photo and video coverage, travel planning and destination management. From incentive travel, flight booking, accommodation reservations, transportation arrangements, and itinerary planning, AT3 Event is sure to set your next travel to be totally hassle-free and completely enjoyable. Weddings, debuts, and social celebration. From conceptualization, all over planning and event management, costing and budgeting, facilitation and execution, your wedding, debut, and social celebration will definitely be the best experience of your life. Whatever you need for these special occasions can be delivered with utmost quality by AT3 Events. So, for your next corporate events, incentive travel, and social occasion, get the best professional support that can provide you with the most excellent solutions. AT3 Events Planning and Concepts Incorporated, your MICE, events and travel management consultant.